I am Swati Shukla. I am working with Dynap Solution. Here I am building a model for prediction of COVID-19 using chest X-ray images of patient to predict the disease of COVID-19. I have used two data set to build this model. The first one is COVID chest X-ray data set, which is open sourced by Joseph Paul. The second is RSNA pneumonia detection challenge, which is available in Kaggle. I have merged these two data sets to form a combined COVID-X data set of three classes: normal, pneumonia, and COVID-19 classes. I have partitioned this dataset in train and test dataset. The train dataset contained total 16597 cases, in which normal class contains 7966 cases, pneumonia class contains 8526 cases, and COVID-19 contains 105 cases of chest X-ray. Using this dataset, I have trained my model in TensorFlow. Using the transfer learning approach, I have trained model using the base model, pre-trained model as a base model. The pre-trained model is COVID-19 chest X-ray small model. For evaluation of this model, I have used TensorFlow checkpoint, and I got the sensitivity of this model for three classes: 0.95 for pneumonia, 0.91 for 0.95 for normal, 0.91 for pneumonia, and 0.8 for COVID-19. PPV for these three classes is this. Using this checkpoint, I have got these evaluation, and for testing this model, I have used four images: normal chest X-ray, pneumonia chest X-ray, and COVID-19 chest X-ray. So for the first one, normal chest X-ray, if we look the image is this normal chest X-ray, and if we'll predict this image using the trained model, the result will be it is running. See, it has predicted that prediction is normal for this chest X-ray image. The confidence is for these classes is this. So highest is it is showing for normal class, which is 0.986. Similarly, if I'll use the other image, which is of pneumonia image, this of pneumonia chest X-ray image, if I'll use this image to predict, the result will be see here the result has come. Prediction is pneumonia. The confidence for all three classes is this, in which the highest confidence is for pneumonia class, which is 0.918. Similarly, if I'll use for COVID-19 chest X-ray image for testing, the image looks like this, the COVID-19 chest X-ray image, and if I'll predict using this in my model, will take some time. See here the prediction has come. Now it is predicting the COVID-19 class, and confidence for all three classes is this, in which the highest confidence for pneumonia for COVID-19 is showing 0.80. So the similarly, if we can use other COVID-19 chest X-ray image for prediction, it will show the result in this form. See here the prediction has come, and it is predicting for this chest X-ray is COVID-19 class, and the highest confidence also for among three classes it is showing for COVID-19. Thank you.